Guys, so we finish the little yellow part here. You can add more. Here I left like some empty spaces there because I like them when I can mix with the next color. So now I'm gonna do a purple one. Purple flower, I mean the outside part. So what I mean with the little spaces, empty spaces there, I'll show you now. I like to, when they blend a bit. So what you can do is this. It's like, so now we are gonna do that area, right? So we did that area, and now we're doing that. So what I mean with the empty spaces is with that, so we're like blending a bit, rather that is like really geometric. I'm trying to like blend this in the middle a bit more. I mean, if you want to do it more geometric is cool too. So then you have here more ideas. Oops. I like the purple and yellow combination. It's a really nice one. I think both colors look great together too. And then I just start thinking what I'm gonna do in the middle as well, and what color I can put. So then start filling this, and so I can start using the empty spaces to like put a bit of purple there too. So that's an idea that you can do. You can even leave more empty spaces now in the purple to, like, for example, here add another color. I'm not gonna do it now because I love this purple. It's a bit it has like some shades of colors. It's really beautiful, and that happened because it's a natural thread. So then I keep going with this like that. It could be very slow. You don't have to like finish the kit in like a day, so you can just take your time and just do it slow. Of course, I'm doing it fast here for the videos. But yeah, the idea is like, it's nice to work slow too. Could be like a slow stitching. I'm filling these little spaces. I mean, don't worry if you don't fill the whole thing, it's fine. It doesn't have to be like a perfect embroidery. So we're gonna keep going like this until we finish the whole thing.